All right, this is the PREXISO rechargeable 2-in-1 16-foot digital tape measure. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It arrived safely. Nice packaging, all wrapped up in styrofoam, everything protected. Inside the package, you are going to get the digital tape itself, an easy to read set of instructions that covers all the different functions of the tape measure, and you're going to get about a 1-foot Type-C charging cable because this is a rechargeable device, and you charge it right here. They say that when it's fully charged, it can do up to 5,000 measurements. So that's pretty good. Before I turn it on and show you what it's all about, going around it, we can see that it's made of plastic or an ABS right here, and it has kind of a soft rubber material right here that actually gives it a little bit of a grip feel and actually holds it down kind of tight when you're using it on a flat surface. Actually feels sturdy enough in my hands. I've dealt with a lot of tape measures. We've got a little wrist strap, and on the end here are a couple of magnets, which is kind of a cool idea. So the tape itself has like an auto lock feature on here. When you pull it out, it automatically locks into place as you pull it. And you've got a release button here to get it back in its cradle. This is a 3/4 inch wide tape. Obviously you can use this as a regular tape measure, or you can use it as a digital tape measure. You just press and hold the on button and it comes on. Has an easy to read LCD display on it. If you accidentally leave the tape measure on for 2 minutes without using it, it will shut itself off automatically. A couple of different features on it. If you press the power button, it'll hold that measurement right up there, kind of mark it for you. Over here on the left, you can see there's an arrow and a display picture of the tape measure itself. And the arrow's on the left. If you press the button, it moves the arrow over to the right, and it actually takes the measurement of the tape measure itself, which is 3.2 inches. For instance, I could measure this out. I know this is 20.9 inches. If I were to take this down to 17.7 right there, if I press the unit button on here, it measures all the way to the end of the tape measure, which we can see is 20.9 inches. And if you want to change that back, you just press it again. The LCD display on here has an error margin of 1/16 of an inch. So I've got this pulled out to 18 inches right here. There's 6 different units of measurement on here. You press and hold the unit button on the side. See, it changes it to feet, 1 foot, 6 inches, 457. We got millimeters, centimeters, meters, 1.50 feet, and back to 18 inches again. If you press the function button, it's got 3 different functions on here. It'll give you like a midpoint. So pull this out to here. You press the power button right here, and it gives you the midpoint reading, which is kind of cool. If you press the function button again, it goes to an area setting where you can, take your measurement, record it. It goes into the next measurement. You can see it moving around, record that, and it gives you the area. If you press the off button here, it will clear the measurements. If you go to the function button again, we go to the 3rd setting, it does volume. You can take a measurement, press the on button, take another measurement, press the on button, another measurement, press it again, and it totals it all up for you. If you press and hold down the function button, it goes into the settings. And inside of here, you've got an up and down button right here. You can go through the settings. And this setting that looks like a little book here, it will store up to 50 groups of data. But it's kind of cool that you can record them digitally and recall them if you want. You go in here and you can just use the arrow buttons to go through all the measurements you've taken. You can actually turn the volume off if you want. And you can rotate the screen 180 degrees if that's something you wish to do. But if you're left-handed or right-handed, that's kind of a cool feature to have. And when you're done, you just press and hold the off button right here, and it says goodbye and shuts it all down for you. So there you go, a nice digital and regular tape measure. That would be great for around the house, around the shop, like here, maintenance work, construction, the trades, all kinds of uses, and it's rechargeable. Very nice.